I'm sharing two patriotic flag crafts with you today. One is an old classic, and then I've got a new twist using upcycled denim. Which one makes you want to celebrate? Are you Team Denim or Team Shadowbox? Comment your pick below. Let's dive in. Always use empty shells that you find naturally on the beach. Never take live shells home. This one's got a hole in it. Have you ever found those at the beach? A hole is caused by a snail. They have a special drill that they can drill into these shells and they slurp out the meat. So cool. We're gonna lay some ribbon out with enough room to wrap around the back. Feel free to use a ruler to tell that they're evenly apart. Okay, let's glue down the seashells. Let's get all of the glue strings. It's ribbon time. I like the look of it without gluing it all the way across. So I am going to wrap it and just put a dot of glue on each side. And now for the starfish, or sea star as I like to call them. This is a resin sea star, so you know you're not hurting ocean life when you use the resin ones. And now for my favorite version, the upcycled denim using spiny jewel box clams found on Florida's coast. Shells how I want them, and now I'm moving them to a tray to keep that design. Look for old jeans at thrift shops or online. The thinner the weight, the better. Florida spiny jewel box clams have such an incredible journey. They start life as tiny drifting plankton, and they surf ocean currents before settling down to attach to the rocks as juveniles. But here's the amazing part. They actually break free as adults to live independently on the sandy ocean floor. From drifter to attached settler to free spirit. Perfect shells for celebrating American independence, right? Don't forget to subscribe for more eco-friendly ocean crafts. Ring that notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, keep living porpoisefully.